Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naz. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fill in your brows using a $2 eyebrow pencil. If you like my video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. So let's get right into it. So first thing first, what I like to do, if you have an oily skin like me, I like to use some setting powder on my brows just because they tend to get really oily throughout the day. But if you don't have an oily skin, you don't need to do this step. So what I'll do, I'll pour a little bit of a setting powder, and it can be any setting powder. Use the Dermablend setting powder. Alright, and right after putting my setting powder on my eyebrows, I'm gonna go ahead and use my eyebrow pencil, and this is from RK by Kiss. So what I'm gonna do, one side has the spoolie and the other side is the pencil. So I'm gonna use this side to brush off my eyebrows. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna measure my brows before I start filling them in. And this right here would be my arch right here. So when you start doing your eyebrows, you don't want to start at the tips. You move a little bit further away and then you start drawing, because you don't want a harsh line on the beginning of your brows. Hair-like stroke. All right, and you always want to go back and compare and make sure the two are kind of similar. Eyebrows are always sisters, they're not twins, okay? So don't even try to make them like identical. But you always want to make sure they have the same size, meaning one is not too big than the other one or too small than the other one. Then I'm gonna go and brush off. So once I have my line really defined, I'm gonna go ahead and pluck the little hair that are growing under my eyebrows. So once you make sure that you have the desired shape you were looking for, then you can go ahead and start cleaning your eyebrows using a concealer. So today's concealer will be the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer, but I'm going to mix it with my Anastasia foundation. So once you clean out the bottom really good, then you can go ahead and clean the top. For my top brows, I'm going to use my Black Opal Nutmeg foundation. And when you're cleaning the top of your brows, always use a color that's close to your skin tone. Clean my eyebrows, I just use a little bit of concealer. I don't use a lot. Alright, so once I'm done cleaning my eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and set the whole thing with my Anastasia Deep Brow Gel in a color dark brown. And what I like about this Anastasia Deep Brow Gel is like sometimes when you use an eyebrow pencil to draw your eyebrows, you can miss some spots. So this thing right here would do the job. And voila, there you have it, my quick eyebrow tutorial using a $2 eyebrow pencil. So let me know guys what you think about this video in your comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.